Hi Shakira. Welcome to Shrita Road. Please share the live and subscribe the YouTube channel for free readings. Hello, welcome to Shrita Road. please share and subscribe the YouTube channel and post your questions. Asha Sharma, hello. Jonathan, please share and like, subscribe the YouTube channel and post your question. Waiting people to join. Guys, welcome to Shri Tarot. Please support for the YouTube channel. Please subscribe and post your question. I need to see sharer tag. Asha Sharma, thank you. I'm experienced from past 8 years but new to Facebook. I'm a professional tarot reader plus clairvoyant. Jonathan, please subscribe the YouTube channel. Your first time, I know. People who are first time, please give a support in exchange. I should get the notification. Jonathan, you can go to YouTube, the app. You can just write my name in the search engine and you can subscribe to my channel. I'll get the notification, then we'll take your question, okay? Kanupriya, welcome. Thank you, Kanupriya, because I am new to Facebook, but I am very professional reader and a clairvoyant. You can check my bio. Everything comes through whatever I tell. I have the gift. I am born gifted. I realized it very lately. Maybe from past 8 years I'm doing this. Before that only I realized. Guys, please share as much as you can. Please subscribe the YouTube channel. Once I get the notification from your name, I'll just take your question. I'm still waiting for the people to join. Jonathan, I didn't get the notification. I don't know, many people did not get chance to book the slot with me because I was busy. Maybe they messaged me. I'm still seeing your messages. If you want to book your slots, you can message me directly through Facebook. But one day sure I'll give a slot for you. Okay, let me see who is waiting from first. Shakira, are you here? She's the one came in. I don't know if she's there. I can give her angel card. Judith, please share and subscribe the YouTube channel. I have to get the notification tag. Jonathan, are you here? Jonathan, Guys, post your question, guys. Let's take Jonathan first. Please post it in English. Jonathan, I got it now. Post your question. Let me start with Jonathan today. He's new person. This is for Jonathan. Can I know his our name? Jonathan, post your name. People asking about your partners, please post the date of birth, either name. Roxana Lees. Will my ex-girlfriend take me back? Roxana Lees. Roxana Lees, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, show me the cards I need to see. Spirits, watching angels, please give me the card for Jonathan. Will ex take him back? Will ex take him back? Is there a chance for you? Definitely, Jonathan, if you contact her, if you calmly try to meet her, if you calmly try to visit her directly, maybe through understanding her thoughts, maybe I see this happening. Really, the star card under the deck and judgment, it is about how you people perceive each other. I'm feeling through your energy that maybe there is a lot of things you are missing from her, or a lot of things, memories which you are reconnecting with. So I see again there is a chance of connection. So you have to take a contact right now. You have to try to connect her. Definitely she'll come back, okay? But you have to take an initiative. Thank you, Jonathan. Sundos, welcome. Asha Sharma, it's so big question. Make it small, please. Guys, please post it small. Be specific. Please support me for the YouTube channel. Priyasha, please share and support for the YouTube channel. Sundars, everybody are accepted in my live channel. You can post your question here. You can just subscribe the YouTube channel, share the live session, like the live, like my pages. Just go check my bio. See, just go through my profile and like the page. Kanu Priya, I don't see your sharer tag. Asha Sharma, whatever you're feeling, so you want to resign, you're feeling you want to resign, so you have taken the decision. So there is a chance of marriage, or there is something coming for you. Some good opportunities coming in your way. Maybe your mindset and your heart is telling to just end this current situation or current job. Yeah, but if you end this, I don't see any other opportunities for you. It might be slow for you, so just think and do it. Okay, if you are looking for your finance, don't resign, because there is a finance coming for you in this job already. So the next job I don't see very fast for you. So before that, just think and do. Okay, Gudia, thank you. Sundus, please enter the live. Please enter the personal reading session. Book a slot. Let me discuss. You're undergoing lot of things at once. Priyasha, I answered you yesterday, I think. The same question. Ammani Jet Sidhu, you can book your slot, Ammani. I see lot of challenges coming for you, not opportunities. Uh, I see some sad vibes around you. In you mainly, I'm feeling from your energy. So Priyasha, for you, I already gave the time frame when you'll marry. I actually remember by next year something I told you through energies. Sundus, you can share for the card. Sundus, if you want the angel card, or if you want any specific question answers, you can post your question. Future readings are done in private, so people can book private reading with me, one on one private session. It will be 30 to 40 minutes reading, but I do till 50 minutes. I give time until you get satisfied. So unlimited questions are taken there. Priyasha, I can give you an angel card. Okay, just wait. Sundus, if you want an angel card too, I can give you. Please share. Ammani, do you want an angel card or do you have any specific question? Sundus, please share, dear. I don't know, people are not sharing and they're just posting. Toya, thank you for sharing, dear. Do you have a specific question? You can post, or if you want angel card, you can post. Priyasha, I can give you an angel card, definitely. Priyasha, definitely I see marriage for you. Okay, the chariot card, the man is on the way. I think a new man is entering your life with very important achievement, or self-discipline and willpower. Maybe he's having a recognition in public. I see angel Metatron is with you, so just praying for the guy, for to be with you and help you and guide you in the things you want to move and take action into. So Priyasha, thank you. So Toya, will I get approved for disability? Okay, let me check her question. Ina, please share. I need to see share tag and subscribe the YouTube channel. People who never subscribed, uh, until they subscribe, I can't take their question. I need your support in return. Thank you. So this is for Toya. Toya, will I get approved for disability? For Toya, she approved to disability. I see there is chances, Toya. Yes, there is a chances. Okay. Please share, guys. People can donate if you can't wait. Post it in English. When you post it in Hindi, I can't take your question because I can't read Hindi. I don't understand. Amani J, will my marriage be with my lover Lakinder? Okay, will my marriage be with my lover Lakinder? Okay. Dear, think carefully. There is a lot of responsibilities for you in this relationship. Maybe where you can't give time for yourself, it will be so much heavy burden or responsibilities, but definitely I see chances for you. Okay, by next year I see chances and news coming to you about the marriage. Thank you, Amani. Sundus, will my marriage survive this huge struggle? My kids are suffering. Oh my god. Sundus, it's so depth question. I'll try to give you as much as I can. Dear, there is a chance if you take an action to move with him, move with your current husband or the children's father. From your side, there should be some efforts. You have to face this, okay? You have to face this. I see when you do this, definitely I see chances. Okay, but don't give hope on your marriage, dear. Please take a effort to just remain same and be little bit strict towards the relationship, or just respect each other or handle things well. I see improvement. Once from your side there should be some efforts. I don't know whether your partner knows that you are ready to stay or move. You make him clear what you want, okay? Thank you, Sundus. Please subscribe the YouTube channel, guys. Urmila Sharma, hello. Udit, please share. Sundus, just explain whatever you're feeling, okay? Just meet him, take an initiative, and yourself as a woman, because of kids, this time just go and talk to him. Whatever you're keeping or whatever you have, directly when you speak out, let the things solve. So I see improvement, dear. Don't just decide to leave the relationship. I see improvement, okay? But you should take initiative, and you should give some attention towards it, okay? YouTube channel Sangya Sankhya husband nature. Who is Sangya and who is Sakya? I don't do third party readings in live sessions. Deepthi, hello. Deepthi, I think yesterday I gave you so much of information. Deepthi, again you are asking the same question. I can give you angel card, but not the answer will be same, okay? Let it happen. When you ask the same question, it will be slow, okay? Sangya Sakya is full name, but you are asking about Sangya Sakya husband nature, okay? About your husband nature, future husband nature, okay? I see lots of giving and taking love, or maybe in anything in relationship, maybe responsibilities. I see the man individually, independently sitting in his throne and is thinking about how to deal for the long term with you. I see lots of love. There is a soulmate or a twin flame coming for you. So the man will be very genuine to you. I see very happily accepting whatever you are to him or whatever you do. I see marriage coming for you within 4 months. You can see the guy, or within 6 months you can meet somebody. Okay. I see a good man entering your life, Sangya, in coming days. Richa Poundal, please subscribe the YouTube channel. You may get angel card. रजनी यादव, मुझे मेरा प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में पहचाना कब मिलेगी? मुझे मेरा प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में पहचाना कब मिलेगी? मीन्स आइडेंटिटी, राइट? Jonathan, you can donate and ask. Okay, there is a $4. There is a PayPal link per question with time frames. You can donate $4. Maybe PayPal is having some fee. You have to look into that. Dear, there is lot of things. Maybe whoever are with you, Rajni, right now, whoever they are with you, maybe a team, maybe in office some project mentors, or maybe the group which you have right now. I see many people will not like how you work, or they talk behind you. I see so much happening for you. But this 7 months, please don't take any thoughts to your head, or don't overthink about the career. But till 7 months I don't see any chances for you, but definitely I see after 7 months there is a chance for you, because you can see here Roman number 7 and Roman number 7. So there is a 7 significance for your life right now. Currently I see 7 weeks or 7 months you get some new opportunities in your career or identity. Okay, so all the best, Rajni. Phyllis Mittal, you can have a reading. If you have a specific question, you can post. If you have a lot of questions, you can take me to private. You can book your slot for a private. It's a paid service. Sangeeta Chaudhary, welcome. People who are new, please go through this. I'll just post. Please subscribe to the channel. I need to see the notification. We'll take your question. Rajni, welcome, dear. Guys, I actually I have mentioned I don't understand Spanish or French, whatever it is. Please post it in English, only in English, not even in Hindi, because it's hard for me to read. Actually, I don't understand a word. Ronald, I am not understanding a word. I'm sorry, but you can post it in English. Richa, general reading. I can give Richa angel card. Phyllis, mention the date of birth or name about the partner or yours. The current specific question you'll have to post. Otherwise, I'll just give you an angel card. Okay. Richa, this is for you. Richa, I'm feeling fire signs. Fire sign around you, or maybe your fire sign. There is something coming to end, Richa. Maybe the phase or a situation. Spiritual transformation is going on for you, Richa. Okay, it's time to move on. Be ready. Whatever comes, just seize it. Just get into new direction for new opportunities. There is some contentment. So there is some contentment, peace and abundance, a happy home life. So maybe you may feel some projects coming, or you may complete some projects. Okay, I see very good time coming for you. Okay, thank you. So who is next? Who subscribe the YouTube channel? Phyllis, I can give you a angel card. Please do subscribe in exchange. Just subscribe the YouTube channel for Phyllis Mitchell. Phyllis Mitchell. Phyllis Mitchell, you're thinking too much of things right now. Just balance your mind. Just inhale and exhale. There is lots of overflowing energy from your side. Phyllis Mitchell, there is unity for you, and the world card. It's a very good card here. So I see something working in a group enriches you right now. Okay, this is this you drew this card because it's time for you to expand your circle of friends or join a group. You may not want to enroll in school or become a part of spiritual organization, but this is also optimal time to make friends with supportive new people who you have already integrity in. It's a strong moral compass. I say experts or mentors, their search in the meaning, having faith in a group of people or spiritually, it's very important for you right now. So Phyllis, I see when you go into spirituality, I see some new opportunities or new things, new happiness coming in your life. And the world card gives more information about how independent you can be in your life. It is about perfection, a move to next level, receiving an award or new house or job. Maybe if you are asking about relationship, there is a chance for you to get into a relationship, or a new man or a current man will be improving for you for the next level of relationship. So there is a complete clarity here. There is a cosmic awareness for you, dear. So recognition for the talents. Use your talents and recognize yourself around you publicly. There is a freedom for you. Okay, just take advantage of it. Thank you, Phyllis. Apurva Tamang. Apurva Tamang, please subscribe the YouTube channel. I don't see subscription. I already gave so many readings, but I don't see any subscription. But people, please subscribe the YouTube channel. Phyllis, welcome. Please subscribe the YouTube channel. Amandeep Sindhu, future reading with 2 cards. I can't tell you, Amandeep. Don't ask me every time when you enter future reading. People who are posting about asking future in 2 cards or anything, I can't give your future. You have to book a slot for 40 and 30 minutes private reading because it takes time to just connect your energy and give you more information. Okay, Amandeep, I can give you an angel card. Amani Jade Sindhu. Amani, I think I answered you. I don't know if you have missed. Just rewind and check, Amani. I have answered you. Apurva, subscribe the YouTube channel and post your question. Ritika Khan, please subscribe the YouTube channel and share. I need to see a sharer tag for you. Deepthi, I don't see sharer tag. I don't give you even an angel card. Amandeep, I don't see notification. Who subscribed? Apurva, I don't see a subscription. Amandeep, when will I get married? When will Amandeep get married? Amandeep, I don't see this year for you. Maybe coming next year there is a chance meeting a new person. Ammani, I gave you the answer for your question. Only one time I can give a person. You can come tomorrow, okay? Apurva, post your question. Amandeep, I gave you the answer. No, don't keep on asking again, please. Just now I told you about your marriage. Amani, I don't know, people are not understanding. Please, guys, please understand. I have done your readings. Please rewind and check. Sanu Salty, please subscribe the YouTube channel. Apurva Tamang, what is the relationship future with my Kushal? Apurva, I see, did you walk away from him or did he walk away from you? There is some sadness here. I see something happened in past. Maybe you're recollecting that and maybe you're worried about things which are unnecessarily you're taking so much of tension or something I'm feeling. Just spend some time with him. I see improvement in relationship, but in future if you get into a relationship or something like that with Kushal, definitely I see some sadness. If this is not happened, then definitely I see for your future this. So this is a prior guidance and awareness card for you. Yes, did you already walk away or did he walk away from you? But I see Nine of Cups energy currently. I see now it's like everything is fine, maybe you're feeling, but okay, be careful, dear. I see maybe some sadness coming or something. Maybe you may take it too high to your mind or to your heart. So ignore. Okay, there is some ups and downs. There is something which you cannot balance, but try to handle things carefully. So I see long term for this, but this is just a small situation which will come. Okay, which will come if you are together. Definitely I see you may have some misunderstanding in future, so be careful. Within 8 months I see some chances for quarrel, conflicts. There is unnecessary pulling up of a situation in negative way. So later on I see within 9 months there will be sorting out for you, everything will be fine. In relationship there will be ups and downs, so just balance. Okay, I'm seeing if you involved with his family members or involved with he involves with your family members, everything will be good. Okay, thank you, Apurva. Apurva, it's just for future, means for this year I have given the coming year. Within 8 months there may be some ups and downs, there may be worries or some troubles from him, his side or from your side for him, but everything will sort out within 9 months. And I see you being together happily, but involve with your parents. Okay, let him involve with your parents, you involve with his parents. Some elder should be there in your relationship to guide you people. So I see lots of benefits with that. So thank you, Apurva. Sanu Salty, I can give you an angel card. Arup Das. Arup Das. I see fire and air energy, Arup Das, for you. Okay, I see lot of work for you, maybe involved with lot of work. It might be like addiction in work or something. Accept the help from others. Okay, life is out of balance right now for you, Arup. So I mean stress related health issues may be coming in your way, so just concern that. So be unable or unwilling to make decision. Okay, right now don't take any decision. There is a statement like pretending there is no problem, but there is lot of things going on for you. But just it's just a passing train, just to ignore it. Okay, this is your guidance where you can benefit your life. Just ignore the things which is not serving you. Okay, right now. So don't make any decision or any strong decision right now. It's not a good time for you. Okay, Arup, thank you. Sundus, what do you want, dear? Do you want a booking? Sundus, okay, 30 minutes you want? Okay, just message me directly in inbox. I'll reply you there. Guys, if anybody wants can message me directly, will give you the timing. If you want immediately, you'll have to just pay immediately, so I can give you prioritized reading, 30 and 40 minutes. So who is next? would love a reading. Emily, very, very welcome. Thank you for coming. Please share. I need to see a sharer tag. Please check out this Emily. Rinita is one sec. Let me check. Okay, Rinita, please post your question. Future, Rinita, within one or two cards, I can't tell you the future here. Okay, I don't want to misguide or anything because I'm very professional in my work. I'm experienced more than 8 years, but just new to Facebook. So I just want to do some revolution here, so I'm here. So Rinita, you just directly book your slot for a future reading. If you want 30 and 40 minutes, you can book your slot. I need your date of birth and your husband photo and date of birth for a depth reading. Okay, but you can get 40 minutes reading for 30 minutes slot booking. You can get 40 minutes, if for 40 minutes slot booking, you can get 50 minutes reading. So that is the advantage, and you can post unlimited questions there. So future and spiritual career, I can give you an angel card. Okay, let me check with angels for you. Rinita Khan, Rinita Khan. One more card for Rinita, Rinita. One more card for Rinita. Spirit box, please give me one more card for Rinita. Okay, sorry. There is a slot booking for me. I'll have to go. We'll finish Rinita's and we'll go. Okay. So if anybody else want, you can book your slot paying me directly through PayPal link. Message me first. How's my future? Dear, for you I have got the cards like awakening, which is very important. Look at the things from different perspective. Okay, whatever it is, whatever you are going through, you have to, there is another side for you. You'll have to look into the things in another side. So I don't know if you want unity in your family. If you wish to have it, there is definitely chance for you. So it's time to review your plans. Okay, according to this card, look at the things from a new perspective. Okay, look at the things from new perspective. Ask yourself, is it possible? Because that is a different approach would work better, okay, for you. So although it might feel like events have come to stand still, this is a temporary, but make use of extra time you have been given to rethink your strategies. Okay, so you may need to step outside of the norm, the mainstream right now, and embrace your unique. Okay, there is a electric beliefs or attitudes. It's also good moment to be generous with your time and attention. So just watch this card. You may see the man who is having the wings is very happy, but is not giving attention to itself. He's just seeing some other side, is connecting to somebody else, or is trying to give attention to some another situation or somebody else around him. So okay, so there is unexpected life changes, the need for patience. Okay, be more patient, the power that lies in being oneself. Okay, so unusual solutions. Okay, unusual solutions, I see. So unity card represents about being a traditional, your viewpoints or methods are very traditional or something like that. Maybe somebody around you being like that. So there is spiritual organization. Seek out mentors, Rinita. Seek out mentors who are very experienced in the family life or something like that. So have some like-minded friends around you. Okay, this is your guidance through angels. Okay, it was too depth for you, because you were the first time here. So whatever I got through energies and through the card I have given you, so thank you for subscribing. Okay, so guys, I have a slot booking now. I'm just going for 30 minutes. If anybody else wants to book your slot, you can message me directly. Guys, anybody want a depth reading 30 and 40 minutes? Anybody interested here? Guys, please subscribe the YouTube channel. Once I get notification, I'm gonna give you the answer. Ashmir, please subscribe the YouTube channel. Will I change the job soon? Show me the cards for Ajmer Khan. I think from your side there is no interest to change job. Maybe you are very much connected to the present job. You are very much settled there, I feel. But it's up to you. If you have offers, if you change, if you know that if there is a benefit more there, you can change. Because when you attend the interview, you see people around you, or how interview you have given, or how things they are going through there in a new company or new environment. So upon that you can decide few things. So you have a wish to get settled fast, but you have a wish like so many things you want to make dreams come true. But right now, Ajmer, I see for you, maybe you're settled here very much. Maybe there is something like confused. You are very much confused right now to leave the job or no. But I don't see anything to leave, but I see it's better to stay. If you feel it's like more very good in another new job coming for you, like new opportunity, when you attend the interview you will find out. So if you wish to have that job, you can quit this job. Okay, Ashmir, it's up to you, but I see there is a good job for you also. I see the current job will also be good for you in future. Okay, but right now I see you are confused. So just take time and decide. Okay, the finance things are very much important in an individual life. So take care. Okay, Ashmir. Thank you. So guys, I'm ending the live session now. I have a slot booking. If anybody else need, you can directly message me for 30 and 40 minutes paid session. Thank you guys. We'll be back within half an hour. Okay, within half an hour or 1 hour. Okay, you can post your question after that. Bye guys.